Over 50% of time and budget spent on development is used to integrate legacy systems, wasting resources and creating technical debt. That all changes with Digibee, the cloud-based solution for integrating systems. Businesses are prioritizing cloud migration. Legacy integration vendors poorly serve those needs. Digibee is cloud native and expert at doing so. Maintenance and training consume 37% of integration budgets. Slash that with Digibee's expert onboarding, including support and low-code platform. Any developer can build integrations. 60% of IT backlogs require integrations. Digibee coexists with other tools and can run in any cloud, empowering IT to attack backlog projects. 79% of organizations report downtime with integration implementations. Downtime can be eliminated with Digibee. Legacy vendor integrations average 6 months. Digibee cuts that to 3 months, even for complex integrations. Get the full State of Enterprise Integration report for insight into how your peers are managing integration challenges. Download today